Master the lingo, professional English and industry-specific terminology. Hello everyone, and welcome to another session in our series on email and letter writing. Today, we'll be focusing on a very important aspect of writing, especially for professional audiences, using industry-specific terminology. The ability to use and understand industry-specific language is crucial for your credibility and effective communication in a professional setting. Industry-specific terminology, or jargon, refers to the unique words, phrases, and abbreviations that are specific to a certain profession or field. For example, a lawyer might use terms like litigation, pro bono, or habeas corpus, while a marketer might use phrases like click-through rate, conversion, or ROI. In our context, understanding and using these terms correctly will not only show your understanding and expertise but also make your messages more concise and precise, which is highly appreciated in the professional world. Remember, using industry-specific terms correctly can greatly enhance your credibility. So, how do you learn these terms? It involves a bit of research and observation. Reading industry-specific literature, attending professional seminars, and interacting with colleagues in your field are all great ways to pick up the lingo. Always remember to use new terminology accurately, as incorrect usage can lead to misunderstandings or harm your professional image. While using industry-specific terminology can reflect your professional competence, it's also important to know your audience and strike a balance. If you're writing to someone outside of your industry or a layperson, you might need to limit the use of jargon or explain certain terms. Striking the right balance between industry-specific language and plain English can be a challenge, but it is key to effective communication. Finally, as with any form of writing, don't forget to proofread and edit. Check for the correct usage of all terms and whether the message you're trying to convey is clear. You may also want to have a colleague or mentor review your writing for feedback. Always proofread and edit to ensure your message is clear and your language is appropriate. And that wraps up our session on using industry-specific terminology when writing emails and letters to professional audiences. This might seem challenging at first, but remember, practice makes perfect. Keep researching, learning, and using the language of your industry, and you'll soon see the benefits in your professional communication. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this video helpful.